Morning guys, it is August 15th, 2023. I got a call from a guy, I guess he used to do AC work or something. He's got a rental home that has got an air conditioner, and he said the capacitor was bad, so he changed the capacitor, but the outdoor fan motor's not running, so he seems to think it's a bad motor, condenser fan motor. Wants to know if I can go by there and do it for him. So I'm on my way over there now, and we'll check it out, see if it is that, or if it's something else. Might be the wiring's wrong, or sometimes the motors heat up. You gotta give them a little time to cool off. Make sure everything's done right. I do have condenser fan motors in my truck. I could throw one in there for them. Probably have to change the capacitor though to a 7.5, because the ones I have are 7.5s. Supposedly it's a Goodman. Well, try to get you some shots. It's a Goodman. Fucking tree branches from hell again. Here it comes along. No, fan's not spinning. We'll fix it. Fucking tree branches from hell here, mama. Gotta make sure the capacitor's even any good before I start doing shit. Yeah, might need another motor. I got motors in the truck. Throw a motor in here. I'm gonna check it. I don't know if the capacitor's even any good. Oh. I got the disconnect off. What is this going on here with this thing? Oh, this is a weird looking unit, huh? Have to make sure that it's still capacitor's good. I don't have the man, this fucking bush is pissing me off. Pissing me right off. Microfarads. We'll make sure this capacitor's good before we do anything. Yeah, capacitor's good at 5. Yeah. But mine's gonna have to be a 7.5, so I'm gonna have to do it a little different.
Unknown caller.
Alright, so we're gonna have to change the fan. Trim some of the trees out of here. Get in here. Pull this thing out of here. She's got it off inside, so. Change the condenser fan motor. Alright, so we'll just have to disconnect these wires here. Should be the purple. Purple. The purple goes to the common. The brown is that. And then the black. The black goes there. Another 3. Hopefully that thing comes off of there. So we'll find out, won't we? Shit. Yeehaw! Can't stop a Goodman, mama. You can't stop a Goodman. That's 5/16. I have to stop a Goodman. Nice caps. I like these caps. Let me see what I got. If I got a motor for this thing. Let's see. I have to stop a Goodman, mama. Alright, so I got one that's a 5 microfarad, and it's quarter horse. That'll work. It's like a rescue motor. Well, make sure you take this plug off the bottom for sure. That plug, that's gonna come off. For sure, for sure, for sure. Dust bunnies from hell. top one, you can leave that one in there. I'm not too concerned about that. The bottom one I am. I don't need the ground, it's going to be grounded. It's already grounded. It's going to go. The wires want to go. That green size is kind of queer. It's that green one. 1132. Get these wires through. Alright, so I put a little piece there and to tie it, keep the wires out of the way, out of the fan. I'm going to get it back in there and hopefully we're the right rotation. Right, so I fastened that in there, and I got the brown on the fan. The brown with the white and the yellow goes to the common. And the black goes over here. I did strap this in so it's not flopping in the wind with some strap hanger. I just have to tie this in. It is spinning the right way. I did check it. She's blowing out. That's what we want. Can't stop a Goodman.